Yeah, we had discussed this question and I was about to tell you the final answer of it. Did you get this answer? Just check. Room days we had calculated. Just cross verify. Total fixed cost 9,33,000. Total variable 4,05,000. And this is the final answer, 81.31. Okay, and the question had said you have to round it off to the nearest 50 paisa. Okay, so 81 rupees 31 paisa. The nearest 50 paisa, obviously, the answer would be 81.50. See, you round off it to the nearest 50 paisa, it will be 81.50. Okay, profit. Yes, I am there. Wait. Profit के लिए they have given that it should be other than interest, right? So that's the calculation of profit. Your total cost is 13,38,000, correct? They have said it should be other than interest. So remove the interest element from it. This is your total cost. Remove the interest element from it. So this answer what you get is known as total cost other than interest. Clear? Okay. Fine. So it's clear to you. Great. Okay. So when you cross multiply, you get your cost. I mean, cost is there, you get your profit. Yeah, 10,88,000 into 25 divided by 100. So 2,72,000 is my profit answer. Okay, add this profit to the table. You will get your room rent. Clear now? Any doubts for this question? Is it clear? Should I move ahead? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay. Now my question is, what if the final answer is say 81.63, and if they tell you to round off to the nearest 50 paisa, then what will be your answer? I repeat, if your final answer is say 81.63, and if I tell you to round it off to the nearest 50 paisa, what will be your answer? Yeah, Prachi, very good. 82. What if the answer is 81? And if I tell you to round it off to the nearest 50 paisa, then Then okay, it will be 81 only. But the question is telling you to round it off to the nearest 50 paisa. Then what you do? 1. Okay, 79.50. Okay, not Rachi, then it will be 81.50. Here is 50 paisa. Okay, so you go to the next one. Why would you charge less? 79.5. You will charge more, right? Good. Now, coming on to the next question. Yeah, Prachi. If it is 79.50 and I say to round it off to the nearest 50 paisa, then it will be 80, not 81 dear. 79.50. Rounding off to the nearest 50 paisa means you will add 50 paisa to it. So it will become 80, not 80. Okay. Okay, 80.5 you're saying. Okay, 80.5. Okay, you can even do that minus 50 or plus 50. Fine. But the most appropriate answer would be if I'm telling you 81, then it would be 81.5, not 80.5. We are talking here about now the most appropriate answer. Okay, so most appropriate it would be 81.5. Anyways, these things don't come along with what do you call already calculated whole numbers. Okay, they come only, they give you such tricks only when there are decimal answers to it. Right? Next, look at this. A company runs a holiday blue star. This is question number 5. And for its purpose, it has hired a building at a rent of rupees 10,000 per month. So this building is not owned by them, it is taken on a rental basis. So this rent of the building obviously is a fixed cost, 10,000 per month. So we have to convert it into yearly. Next, along with 5% of the total takings. What are takings? Revenue, selling price. Okay. So this element 5% is your variable cost. It has three types of suite: a single suite, a double suite, and a triple suite. So in the hotel, there are these three varieties of suite. So you have 100 single rooms, 50 double rooms, and 30 triple rooms in the hotel with various occupancy: 100%, 80%, and 60%. Okay. Now they have given you some conversion rates. Rent of double suite is 2.5 times of the single suite, and triple suite is twice of the double suite. Okay. I'll tell you what to do with this later, not now. Let us see how to apply this information. Then expenses for the year. So obviously it's going to be a yearly cost sheet. Staff salary fixed. Room attendant wages variable. Heating, lighting, and power variable. Repairs fixed. Laundry expense fixed. Interior decoration fixed. Sundries fixed. Okay. Provide profit at the rate 20% on total takings. Takings is again your revenue. In hotel cost sheet, that's a room rent. And assume 360 days in a year. They have already told you to assume 360 days in a year. Now, calculate the rent to be charged for each type of suite. Now they are asking you to calculate rent to be charged. That means room rent. Okay, for each type of suite, for single suite, for double suite, and for triple suite. Okay, clear? So, what are you going to prepare here? We always start with what? Calculation of room days. Okay, so now here you have to be more specific. Calculation of single room days, because single room days is the base of calculation. Okay, start with this, write on this. Working note number 1, calculation of single room days. This is the highlight. Right? Once we get the answer of single room days, 2.5 times is double room and 5 times is, right, double of the, what do you call your double room. Said na, it is twice of the double. Triple room rents are twice of the double room rent. Okay, so formula will be same, number of rooms into percentage occupancy into, what is the original formula? Month in a year and days in a month. But we cannot use that. Why? Because the sum is not divided into seasons. Okay, it's not given, na? It is a winter season, summer season. Okay, so the year is not divided into seasons. That is why my conversion will change here. Okay, see, I have not written months in a year because there are no seasons. I will directly convert it into as days in a year. Is this clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear why I have not taken months in a year in the formula? Okay, fine. Good. Thanks, students, for acknowledging. Okay. Now, divide it like this: single room, double room, and triple room. Single room, double room, and triple room. Okay. Single room, double room, triple room. Obviously, you have to calculate separately. So, number of rooms, single rooms, 100. Look into the screen first, then later on you can copy, or you want to take a screenshot, you can take that. But first, look what I am doing. Okay. Number of rooms, single rooms, 100. Number of double rooms, 50. Number of triple rooms, 30. Okay. Percentage occupancy, single room, 100%. Double room, 80%. And triple room, 60% occupancy. And then days in a year are throughout same for each, 360 days in a year. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Now note it down. You see the calculation if you want. 100 into 360, that is 36,000. Then next, 50 into 80% into 360, that is 14,400. And then triple rooms, 30 into 60% into 360, 6480. Okay, 36,000, 14,400 and 6480. Okay, this is the change in the question. Yeah, we haven't done sums before where there were single, double, and triple suites in the hotel. We have always done sums by default, which are single room days only. We were calculating Number of room days. It means number of single room days. Ragini, Palak, Puneet, Neeraj, Ritika, Dhanashri, videos on Akshat, Anushka, Aditi, Karina. There are reasons due to which you people have been instructed for keeping the videos on. Okay? Yeah. So follow that. Abide by the rules, whatever are given to you. Sanket 8236. Pranati, Prem, Ronak, Ashish, Meenal. Okay. Next. Now, what is the next important thing in the question? You have to convert your double rooms and triple rooms also into single rooms. Why? Because the base of calculation is single room. See, because of this. This. Just a minute. Yeah. This sentence. Okay. Whatever will be your final answer, I mean your single room rent, you have to take 2.5 times so that you get the double room rent, and you have to take twice of the double room so that you get the answer for the triple room. Okay, so this is the basis of calculation. So you have to convert your double room and triple room into single room. Okay, so next, right on. Convert into single rooms. Now you have to do the conversion of double and triple rooms. Okay, now I'll tell you how to do this conversion. Okay, conversion. Now your conversion is single room, double room, and triple. Okay, so single room is the base, so take it as 1. Double room is 2.5 times of the single room. Okay, so I hope you know this concept. If 1 is x, it is 2.5 times of single room, so it will be 2.5x. Are you understanding? Yeah, like this. Okay, so this x, I'm taking it as 1 because 1 does not change the answer. If you multiply anything with 1, it keeps the answer same, right? 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, like this. So if I multiply 1 into 2.5, it doesn't change. It will be 2.5 only. So you are right on 2.5. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Next, for triple room, what they have said, it is twice of the double room. Okay, it is twice of the double room, and double room is how much? 2.5. So 2 into 2.5. Is that clear? So this answer will be 5. Am I clear with the conversion weight? It's actually a weight given. We're multiplying with it. Is it clear? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay. Is it clear? 1, then 2.5, and then 5. Okay. Great. Thanks. Next. Okay. So you're multiplying. So I'm deleting this calculation. Huh? I just made it to explain one. Okay. So now next, 36,000 into 1. 36,000. Next, 14,400 into 2.5. 14,400 into 2.5. 36,000. Next, 6,480 into 5. 6,480 into 5. 32,400. So right here, 32,400. Okay, and then take the grand total of it. Add it. 32,400 plus 36,000 plus 36,000. So it is 1,04,400. So my yearly answer is 1,04,400. Okay, 1,04,400 single room days. Okay, 1,04,400 single room days. Okay, is this calculation clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. 1,04,400. Sort of 15 marks question, 5 marks is only for the calculation of single room days. Okay, fine. Great. Thanks for acknowledging. Okay, out of 15 marks, 5 marks are given only for the calculation of single room days. Then 10 marks is for the statement. That is your hotel cost sheet. Okay, fine. Now it's easy. Now once you get this, now it's very easy. Now what you have to do, you just have to, we have already identified fixed and variable. Just jot it down in the hotel cost sheet and total it up. That's it. Okay. Important part was only this calculation, 1,04,400. Now make your cost sheet. Yearly cost sheet of Hotel Blue Star, particulars column, amount column, and single room days column. Okay. See. Single room days column, 1,04,400. We just got this answer. Okay. Start with fixed cost. There are 6 items under fixed cost. Okay. First is building rent. You can start giving your attendance also, students. Yeah, start giving your attendance so that later I can ask questions to you so that you can post it in the chat box. Otherwise, at the end, it becomes a very hush hush, like, you are busy in posting your attendance and all that. So just do it right now. Post your attendance. Building rent 10,000 per month, but we are making yearly cost sheet. So 10,000 into 12 months. So that is 1,20,000. Okay. Next, staff salary 14,25,000. Repairs 1,23,500. Laundry expenses 80,500. Interiors 74,000. And sundries 1,53,000. Okay. Yeah. Then total your fixed cost. All the 6 expenses under fixed cost. Let us verify. 1,20,000. Sorry. 1,20,000 plus 14,25,000 plus 1,23,500 plus 80,500 plus 74,000 plus 1,53,000. So the answer is 19,76,000. So that's my total fixed cost. Okay. Right? Clear? So is it clear till here to everyone? Okay. Okay, fine. Thanks, Ayatan, for acknowledging. Next, variable cost. So there are only two variable costs in the question, and that also we don't have to calculate. Generally, when we have done sums on hotel cost sheet, room attendance, salary, lighting, heating, power, all these expenses we calculate. But here it is already calculated. It's already given in the question. Right? 4,50,000 and 2,15,000. Okay. Yeah. Now, if you remember, when I had read the question, there are three elements in variable cost. See, I'll show you. I'll take you back to the question. See, we have room attendance wages, one. We have lighting, heating, and power, two. And we also have this 5%, some calculation 5% on total takings. We also have that. Okay. But since we don't know revenue, so right now we cannot calculate it. Okay. So I'm taking this 5% as commission. Okay. 5% as commission also you are paying. So it's an expense too. You're paying rent and you're also paying something, some commission, some element of commission, 5% on the room rent. Okay. Yeah. So look here. I'm writing total variable cost without commission. Okay, so write all that. Total variable cost without commission. Total variable cost without commission. Just note it down. Yeah. And tell you how to calculate that. Okay. So variable cost is how much? 4 lakh. Okay. 2,15,000 plus 4,50,000. So it makes it to 6,65,000. So that's my total variable cost without commission. Why? Because I cannot calculate right now commission because it's on revenue. I don't know revenue also. So there are two things which are missing. Then total cost without commission. Total cost is what? Fixed plus variable. Okay. So 19,76,000 plus 6,65,000. So my answer is 26,41,000. 26,41,000. Okay. Add commission to this, I will get my total cost. Add profit to it, I will get my room rent. That's my revenue. Okay. Yeah. We had done a similar calculation in transport cost sheet. Not yet. In transport, there was one calculation. There similar commission was on the total takings, but it was a transport cost sheet. Sir. Okay. Yeah. Now we know commission is how much? 5% on room rent revenue. Profit is how much? 20% on room rent revenue. So what is the base? Revenue is the base. So anything which is the base is 100. Okay. Now see what I'm doing. Huh? This is 100. Profit is 20. So I'm going reverse. So I will subtract. Add will become subtract. I'm going reverse, right? So this is 80. Commission is 5. Go reverse, 80 minus 5, 75. Am I clear about this? I'm using an upward arrow so that you understand. Yeah, I'm going to subtract. We will do opposite. So 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 minus 5 is 75. Cross multiply, you will get all these figures. Here, okay, do it. Do it on your end and verify it from me, obviously. Yeah, I'm doing it. 26 lakh 41,000 into 100 divide by 75. So 35 lakhs 21,333. 45 lakhs 21,333. Okay. Yeah. Next, profit. Profit is how much? 20% on room rent revenue. So calculate 35 lakh 21,333, 20%. So 7 lakh 4,266.666 rounded off 67. Okay. 7 lakh 4,267. Okay. Yeah. You're going reverse, so you can subtract directly. Instead of cross multiplying, you can even go with this method. Any method that is feasible to you, you find it easy, convenient, you can follow that. Because after all, what we are doing is mathematics, right? So whether you do it this way or the other way around, final answer should be same. So 28 lakh 17,066. 28 lakh 17,066. 28 lakh 17,066. Okay. Then commission is how much? 5% of revenue. So 35 lakhs 21,333 into 5%. So the answer is 1,76,066.65. So rounded off 67. Okay, 1,76,067. 1,76,067. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then what we need this answer. Yeah, 35 lakh 21,333 divided by my room days, 1 lakh for 400. So 33.729, make it 73. 33.73. This is my final answer. This. Okay, understood? So this is called as rent of single room. Okay, single room rent. And then what do you want? Rent of double room. So what they have said, rent of double room is what? 2.5 times of the single room. So 33.73 into 2.5. How much? 84 rupees 23 paisa. Clear? Okay. Then rent of triple room. It is 5 times of the single room. So 33.73 into 5. How much is answer? 168.65. Clear? Okay. Am I clear about it? Yeah. And obviously, you have to calculate this also.